So how do you download shared videos on the iPhone? Let me talk about some possible scenarios and situations to explain it. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss the future videos and tutorials like this one. So it all comes down to the way the photo has been shared to you, right? So it kind of depends on how the video just got to your phone. Because if you, for example, got the link shared over the Google Drive or some different thing, you can open it up and just look for the download button, which is going to show up somewhere on the screen. You should be able to find it and just download that video to your gallery, right? It is from the link to the Google Drive, right? So if somebody shared the video to you that way, you'll be able to open up that link and essentially, as I said, look up the download button and it should be available and it should show up to you. On the other hand, there are also much more ways to share photos and videos within your devices. So you can, for example, if you share it through AirDrop, then it will automatically appear in your gallery. If you share it over messages, it will appear in the messages thread and you'll be able to just hold down on it and just click and download it to your videos photos app as well. So that would also make it work, right? So as you can see, there are so many options and so many ways to share a video between your devices, but generally the blueprint is the same, that if you share the link, you have to open it through that link and then click the download button. And when it's shared as a media, like through a messages chat or as a attachment in Gmail, if it's not a large video, you'll be able to just open that video already and click the download button there. So I hope it all makes sense. It's not really that difficult, but if you have something very specific, which I did not cover or mention in this video, let me know about it. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.